Okay, let's play a game. Sounds of
Sound of
animal.
water.
Animal. Okay, let's first start with what's this? Monkey. Monkey.
I know what I'm doing. Sleep.
What this one?
What is it?
Goat.
Goo. Goo. That's more like.
How about the next one? Oh, your turn. You show an animal. What's that? A cat. Yeah. This sounds better.
Me.
Next, what's that?
Dog.
Dog.
Mine is a brave dog.
You want a brave?
That is a mad dog.
The next one. What's that? This is a horse. The sound is. What's that? Cow.
How about this?
What's that?
Chick.
A chick.
We all do it.
No, this is
Rabbit.
a sound. Rabbit.
No sound.
You make a sound. Alright, action. Let's go find some other animal.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
What's this?
Animal. Just choose animal.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. No sound.
Timer. Seahorse.
No sound.
No sound.
It's the animals with sound.
Golden fish.
No
No
sound.
No sound. Panda.
You're the Chinese man. What's the sound of a panda?
I also don't know. I know how they eat. Bamboo shoot.
Okay. What's that? What's that bird?
Lion.
Lion.
狮子。Oh,
No sound.
no sound.
Dolphin.
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 Oh, this mommy one. No
No
sound.
sound.
Oh, this.
Spider. No sound.
Yeah, this is disgusting. I'm really afraid of this. 蟋蟀. Yeah.
Cricket.
Oh. Pig.
What's the sound of the pig?
we have a lot of fears about fears about the dog, pig, but I don't know. Oh,
What's the next?
duck.
Duck. Oh, you duck.
Duck.
No. Quack, 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 quack,
Yeah?
quack,
Oh.
Yeah, that's a duck.
Okay. My throat is tired. Okay. See you guys later.